Meron ho kayong isinusulong na regular drug test for government officials. Please tell us about this.
Yeah, Ivan, it's a response, my response to those who have challenged yung aking ipinakitang resulta noong November 2021 drug test ni BBM prior to the campaign. Ako ay nakakaladkad at ako raw ay nagpakita ng peking resulta noong 2021. And in your program, Ivan, sasabihin ko sa lahat na aking pinaninindigan ang resultang aking ipinakita noong 2021 na negatibo si BBM, yung kandidatong BBM. Kaya nga sabi ko, once and for all, because I value my name and integrity and character, I had to undergo myself into a drug tests kahit hindi kinakailangan upang pasinungalingan na dinoktor daw. So ang akin namang hamon bilang tugon din sa programa ng DILG, yung partnership with private firms and private organization to have a drug-free workplace. Kahit kayo dyan sa GMA7, bakit hindi na magpa-undergo ng drug test lahat para matigil na itong hindi mamatay-matay na usapan na may mga gumagamit di umano ng droga na namumuno ngayon sa ating pamahalaan.
Yes, in fact, isa nga ho yun sa mga binanggit ni dating Pangulong Duterte na si Pangulong Marcos daw ay gumagamit ng droga.
Yes, he mentioned that in January of 2024 in Davao. He mentioned it again last Sunday in Tagum. At may nagpakita din ng pre-operation report ng PIDEA. At sinabi rin ni Pangulong Duterte na nakita din niya yan nung kanyang kapanahunan. At meron din na nag-execute di umano na yung ahente mismo na siya ang magli-lead o fill up ng pre-operation report. So para matapos na yan, bakit hindi sumailalim yung mga nakakaladkad na pangalan sa isang hair follicle drug testing? At hindi biro ito kahit naman sa ordinary workplace. An ordinary employee is subjected to a periodic or random drug testing. Why can't we subject the same to those national leaders that are tasked to govern our republic?
Unfortunately, Attorney Vic, tinanong yan kay Pangulong Marcos and he said he will not dignify that with the reply.
It's not dignifying. It's heeding the call and the clamor of the Filipino people. You know, if you have nothing to hide, it's simple. Just undergo a credible hair follicle drug test. Because, Ivan, even my daughters, who are very, very young, were subjected to a random drug testing in their school. Kaming mga magulang, hindi kami nagreklamo. Gusto nga namin eh.
Right.
Because we not want our daughters to be associated or classmates with a drug dependent at this very early stage of their life.